Hello everyone, this is part 3rd of Chemistry Class 12 Chapter 1, The Solid State. We will be covering the further topics such as density and other. You can visit the last covered part 1 and part 2, link in the description. So let's start. Density of the unit cell. Here, the density formula is mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell. So, the number of particle per unit cell into the mass of single unit cell upon A cube is the density formula for a unit cell. Now, the overall formula is taken as density is equals to Z into M upon Na dot A cube. And here A depicts the edge length, A cube depicts the volume, molar mass is depicted by capital M. So, uh, the final formula is rho is equals to Zm upon Na into A cube. Here is a question related to the density. You can solve it, take the screenshot. This is the another question related to density. Now the third question is this. These are the questions which are asked in JEE mains and some of them are asked in board exam. And NEET aspirant can also uh, solve this problem as they are important. Now let us come to the packing fraction or packing efficiency or the packing factor. So the packing efficiency can be defined as the fraction of the total volume of unit cell that had been occupied by the lattice point. Okay, so it can be also said that packing fraction is equals to the volume occupied by the lattice point upon the total volume of the unit cell. So the final formula which is derived is Z into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon A cube. Here 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of a sphere. So it is easy to remember that packing formula is equals to 4z into 4 upon 3 pi r cube upon A cube. Here z is the rank and A cube is the volume. Here here is a note that in 1D packing fraction, the packing fraction is derived from length occupied by atom upon total length of the cell, and in case of the 2D the packing fraction uh, is found by area occupied by atom, and in case of 3D the packing fraction is found out by volume. So you can see that in 1D length is taken, in 2D area is taken, and in 3D volume is taken. Now percentage packing fraction. It is easy to remember that packing fraction into 100. So we have to multiply the formula of packing fraction with 100. So the final formula is this, that packing fraction is equals to percentage packing fraction is equals to 400 upon 3 Z pi R upon A whole square. Here are some of the questions. You can take a screenshot and solve it. Here is a note which I would like to discuss, that the FCC, there is another name for FCC that is CCP. that is cubic closed packing structure. Now in conclusion, let us come to percentage packing fraction. Uh, for concluding this simple cubic cell, the packing percentage is 52.4, and so the left out portion is the void. So the void percentage 100 minus 52, that is 48%. And in case of BCC, the packing fraction is 68. So void will be 100 minus 68, that is 32%. And in case of FCC, it is 74% and void is 26%. And similarly, in case of end centers, 37% is packing fraction and 63% is the void percent. There is a pin code for remember. There is a trick for remember it. It is pin code like this: 526074. Okay. And in case of end centered and face centered, each the end centered is half of face centered, sir. It is half. Now let us come to the closed pack structure or CPS. The closed pack structure, any structure having packing fraction 74% or greater is known as closely packed structure. And when the packing fraction is less than 74%, it is called loosely packed structure. Let us come to a note that in case of HCP and FCC, they both are HCP and FCC, they both are closely packed structure as their packing fraction is greater than 74%. And simple cubic cell, body centered cell, end centered, and S centered are loosely packed structure as their packing fraction is less than 74%. Now let us come to classification of closely packed structure. Okay, so it is 1D closely packed structure, 2D closely packed structure, and 3D closely packed structure. In 1D closely packed structure, it you can see that it is arranged in a row, and the coordination number of each atom is 2. Now in case of 2D closely packed structure, it is subdivided into two, that is square 2D closely packed structure, that is also called AAA type, or hexagonal 2D closely packed structure, that is called ABAB type. Here you can see that the arrangement of each row of atom is similar, but in case of hexagonal closely packed structure, the arrangement is different. Let me mark it here. Yellow one is represented by yellow A, and the red one is represented by B. You can see that the arrangement of these row are different. So let me clear it. You can take the screenshot of this PDF. Now here is a summarized way of 3D closely packed structure. A square closely packed structure, hexagonal closed packed structure, or FCC or CCP. The square closely packed structure in 3D is also known as AAA closely packed structure. Hexagonal closely packed structure is known as ABAB closely packed structure, and FCC type is known as ABC type. Here is the like proper figure given here for all these subunits. You can refer to it. Now let us come to hexagonal lattice. Hexagonal lattice uh, is described in this figure, that how the structure look likes. All three figures are same. So in case of hexagonal lattice, the rank is 6. The number of octahedral voids is 6. That number of tetrahedral void is 12. The relationship between A and R is A is equals to 2 times of R, and the height of the unit cell is equals to 2A into root 2 by 3, and the volume of the hexagonal structure is 3 root 2 A cube, and the packing fraction or the is equals to volume occupied by volume available, that is 6 into volume of one atom upon 3 root 2 A cube, that is 74%. In our next part we will be covering the voids in crystal. So stay tuned with this channel and refer to the description box for the playlist of this chapter. Thank you.